Greetings, principal, coordinators, teachers, and all my dear students. First, I wish you a very happy Wildlife Week 2020. I am Raj Dave, first year BS student from Elphinstone College. The topic for my PPT is Wild Animals of India. As we all know, India is a vast and diverse country and have around 91,000 species of animals. We cannot cover whole species in a single PPT or whole animals in a single PPT. So we are covering specific species of animals. Our Indian wildlife consists of Asiatic lion, Bengal tiger, Indian rhinoceros, Indian elephant, snow leopard, Indian leopard, and clouded leopard, etc. Now, generally the question arises, what does wildlife stands for? To answer this question, wildlife stands for all organisms that grows or lives in wild area without being introduced by humans. Wildlife is very essential for food chain, food web, and to maintain ecosystem in our surrounding. This is how the food chains look like. Food chain is a series of organisms each dependent on the next as a source of food. Peacocks. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacocks have large, colorful pheasants, typically blue and green, known for their majestic tails. These tails feather is 60% of total body length and have boastful eye markings of blue, gold, red, and other hues. Peacocks are one of the largest flying birds and weigh between 8 to 13 pounds. They are generally omnivorous. Now, the question arises, why peacock called peacocks? To answer the question, peacock called peacock because of their aggressive attitudes. In India, peacock called Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. An Indian keeps feathers of peacock at home and believes by keeping these feathers at home, the prosperity will come. These are some special features of peacock. Current status of peacock is more than 1 lakh. The traces of peacock first found in Europe by Alexander, the second by Athens in Greece by 450 BC. The tiger, Panthera tigris, is the largest extant cat species and a member of genus Panthera. It is most recognized for its dark, vertical strips on orange-brown fur with a lighter underside. It is a terrestrial and generally a solitary but social predator, requiring large contiguous area of habitat, which supports its requirement for prey and rearing of its offspring. Tiger cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years before they became independent and leave their mother's home range to establish their own. The tiger is the most famous charismatic megafauna. The tiger is the national animal of India, Malaysia, Bangladesh, and South Korea. The tiger does not often climb trees, but cases have been recorded. It is a strong swimmer and often baths in ponds, lakes, and rivers, thus keeping cool in the heat of the day. Individual can cross up to 7 kilometers wide in a day, but tiger can swim up to 29 kilometers in a day. The tiger is listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List. As of 2015, the global wild tiger population was estimated to number between 3,062 and 3,948 mature individuals, with most of the population living in small pockets isolated from each other. India currently hosts the largest tiger population. Major reasons for population decline are habitat destruction, habitat fragmentation, and poaching. Project Tiger is a tiger conservation program launched in April 1973 by the Government of India during Indira Gandhi's tenure. Kailash Sankhala was the first director of the Project Tiger. As the Bengal tiger is the national animal of India, this project aims to stem the population of the tigers and work to increase their number. The objectives of Project Tiger is first, reduce factors that leads to the depletion of tiger habitats and to mitigate them by suitable management. Second, ensure a valuable tiger population for economic, scientific, cultural and aesthetic and ecological values. The map down below showing the state-wise distribution of Bengal tiger population. Now it's time to question, what is the national heritage animal of India? Elephant. Elephant is the national heritage animal of India. Elephants are the largest existing land animal. Three species are currently recognized: the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. Features of all elephants include a long trunk, tusks, large ear flaps, massive legs, and though but sensitive skin. The trunk, also called proboscis, is used for breathing, bringing food and water to the mouth. The pillar-like legs carry their great weight. Elephants are generally herbivorous and they stay near water when it is accessible. They are considered to be keystone species due to their impact on their environments. Elephants have a fission fusion society in which multiple family groups come together to socialize. African elephants are listed as vulnerable and Asian elephants as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). One of the biggest threats to elephant population is poaching. Other threats to wildlife elephants include habitat destruction and conflicts with local people. Elephants are used as a working animals in Asia. These are some special features of elephant. The current status of elephant is 415,000 across Africa. Lifespan vary between 60 to 70 years and the pregnancy period of elephants vary between 18 to 22 months. This is a table list shows state-wise distribution of elephant population as per census conducted during 2017. Project Elephant was launched in 1992 by the Government of India, Ministry of Environment and Forest to provide financial and technical support to wildlife management efforts by states for their free-ranging populations of wild Asian elephants. Project Elephant is a centrally sponsored scheme with the different objectives. The objectives of Project Elephants are first, to protect elephants, their habitats and corridors. Second, to address issues of man and animal conflict. Third, welfare of captives. The lion, Panthera leo, is a member of genus Panthera. It has a muscular, deep-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and a hairy tuft at the end of its tail. It is sexually dimorphic. Adult male lions have a prominent mane with a typically head-to-body length 184 to 208 centimeter. They are larger than females at 160 to 184 centimeter. It is a social species forming groups called prides. The lion is an apex keystone predator, although some lions carnivorous. When opportunities occur and have been known to hunt humans, the species typically doesn't. One of the most widely recognized animal symbol in human culture, the lion has been extensively depicted in sculptures and painting, on national flags and in contemporary films and literature. Lion has been kept alive since the time of Roman Empire and have been a key species sought for exhibition in zoological gardens across the world since the late 18th century. Cultural depictions of the lions were prominent in Upper Paleolithic periods. Carvings and paintings from the caves in France has been dated to 17th century years ago and depiction had been occurred. Virtually all ancient and medieval culture that coincided with the lion's former and current ranges. The first scientific description of the Asiatic lion was published in 1826 by the Austrian zoologist. Until the 19th century, it occurred in Saudi Arabia, eastern Turkey, Iran, Mesopotamia, and from east of the Indus River to Bengal and Narmada River in central India. The lion is one of the five anthrine cats inhabiting India. The word rhinoceros, derived from the Greek word meaning nose horn, is one of the five extant species of the family Rhinoceros. Two of them extant species are native to Africa and three to Southern Asia. The term rhinoceros is often more broadly applied to now extinct species of the superfamily Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros are killed by some poachers for their horns, which are brought and sold on the black market and used by some cultures for ornaments or traditional medicines. East Asia, specifically Vietnam, is the largest market for rhino horns. By weight, rhino horns cost as much as gold on the black market. Some cultures believe the horns to be have therapeutic properties and they are ground up and the dust consumed. The IUCN Red List identifies the black, Javan, and the Sumatran rhinoceros as critically endangered species. Project Rhino was launched on World Rhino Day 22 September 2011. And the key aims of Project Rhino is to prevent duplication of project, create a common vision, create credibility with a general public, collaborate, support and promote Project Rhino members, conduct reviews, benchmark successes and identify shortfalls in poaching intervention. And the goals of Project Rhino is zero tolerance to rhino poaching, continually decrease the rate of poaching every year in South Africa. In India, generally three different species of leopard found: snow leopard, Indian leopards, and clouded leopards. Compared to other wild cats, the leopard has relatively short legs and a long body with a large skull. Its fur is marked with rosettes. It is similar in appearance to the jaguar but has a smaller, lighter physique. Both leopards and jaguars that are melanocytic are known as black panthers. The leopard is opportunistic in hunting behavior, broad diet, strength, and ability to adapt to a variety of habitats. It can run at a speed of up to 58 km per hour. The fossils of leopard found in Europe estimated 6 lakh years old. Leopard fossils were also found in Japan. Leopard is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List because leopard populations are threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation and are declining in large part of the global range. In Hong Kong, Singapore, Kuwait, Syria, Libya, Tunisia, and mostly like in Morocco, leopard population has been extinct. Contemporary records suggest that the leopard occurs in only 25% of its historical global range. Leopards are hunted illegally and their body parts are smuggled in the wildlife trade for medicinal practices and decorations. These are other important wild animals of India. According to IUCN Red List, red panda is an endangered list. Bear. The six species of bear are in vulnerable and endangered list. Deer is also in IUCN Red List. Lion-tailed monkey is also in endangered list of IUCN. Now, now the question arises, what causes wildlife destruction? What were the main cause of wildlife destruction? So, the main causes of wildlife destruction are: first, habitat loss; second, loss of ecosystems; third, limitation of expansion of vegetation; fourth, international trade; fifth, loss of mobility. So now, what will be the effect of wildlife depletion in our future and what happen in future? So first, unbalanced food chain and ecosystem. Second, reduction in rare wild animals. Third, impact on biodiversity. Fourth, loss of economic value. Fifth, danger to humans' life. Sixth, loss of genetic information. Now it's time to take oath. So I request everybody please ready for the oath. We, the student of Elphinstone College, promise that first, we should keep our environment clean. Second, Play an active part in habitat restoration projects. Third, lend our helping hands by volunteering for NGOs. Fourth, donate and raise funds whenever required. Fifth, contribute to conservation by educating people. Sixth, save energy, recycle, and reduce consumptions.
Thank you so much, Raj, for the wonderful presentation. Absolutely informative. And yes, we students of Elphinstone College do solemnly take this oath that we shall keep the environment clean, be an active youth of the society, donate, and contribute to conservation. Now, not to forget, thank you everyone for watching and being patient all along. I hope this was able to help you understand the concept of wild animals in India. Have a good day.